Hi there! Today we're going to talk about the common nutrition labeling mistakes that can hurt your brand and lead to recalls. A single bad label can result in thousands of dollars lost and significant damage to consumer trust. But the good news is these errors are 100% avoidable. Let's count down the top 3 common food labeling mistakes. Mistake number 3, allergen labeling errors. Failing to declare or improperly declaring allergens is one of the most serious and common labeling violations. This is a top priority for regulators. In both Canada and the US, allergens must be clearly listed, either in the ingredient list or in a contain statement immediately following it. And remember, cross-contact matters. If your product is made in a facility that handles major allergens, a may contain statement is often required or strongly recommended. Mistake number 2, wrong label formatting. The look and structure of your label are crucial. Mistakes here include missing nutritional information, incorrect format for serving sizes, or issues with font size, order, and legibility. Make sure you are using the correct template for your market, and that the labeling is consistent across different markets. And finally, mistake number 1, incorrect serving size. This is one of the most commonly misused parts of the nutrition facts label. Companies often get this wrong because they are either not aware of the RACC rules, or they base the size on the package instead of regulation, or are trying to make nutrition numbers look better. Always base your serving size on the regulated reference amount set by the FDA or CFIA. To tick off your regulatory checklist and avoid these pitfalls, you must first understand your market's regulations. Always double-check every label component and review your label's format for legibility and mandatory elements. And don't forget to get an expert opinion. Whether you choose to DIY with a compliance-ready platform or hire an expert to review your label, compliance plus confidence equals peace of mind. Reach out to our nutrition experts on foodlabelmaker.com to learn more.